Ooh. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. Peace, y'all. Hey, I'm Ivory. I'm back, and today we are eating some breakfast. Now, I know this is a fancy breakfast. There's a lot going on here. I know. Okay. Ooh, the bottom is hot. Okay, I like that a little bit better, y'all. All right, so I do have my Hershey Kisses pitchforks. I got a couple of them, but I'm gonna just use this one for right now. But I have pretty much everything that I love here, y'all. I have kiwi, green grapes, red grapes, strawberries, mango slices, blackberries and blueberries, honeydew melon, pineapples, cantaloupe, watermelon, and I think that's everything, y'all. I have some whipped cream on the side, some coconut shavings, and then, y'all, I chopped up, move this out the way. I chopped up some almonds, y'all. I got some whole almonds back here, but I chopped these up on my little cutting board. But I think I want to start with a marshmallow. I don't know if that's odd. But let me stir this up one more time. I have been craving fruit, y'all. Like a lot of fruit. Like I've been craving like fruit for a meal. So today I have the fruit breakfast. And then tomorrow, and then tomorrow it's mango. I was thinking about, uh-oh, I dropped the whole thing in there, y'all. I got another little plate. They're little kisses, y'all. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, I'm talking about put one of these in the refrigerator. Whew. Ooh, I might do that. And then eat it for dessert with the red snapper that I'm having later. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do a breakfast in bed tomorrow. It's early in the day right now. Dark chocolate. Special dark chocolate. That's the one that's just a little more rich than dark chocolate. And I mixed it with cinnamon chips. So it would have been even more. It would have been darker than this without the cinnamon chips. And I also used a little bit of almond milk, just a little bit. It's about to be all over my face, y'all. I got a blueberry with the kiwi. Let me get up in this whipped cream. Let's do a strawberry. Y'all want some? Uh-oh, I dropped it. Let's put a little chocolate on it too. Wait, I did it backwards. Hold on. Y'all want strawberry? Let's go chocolate. Okay, these little pitchforks make me want to use my chopsticks. And then, how do I do it, y'all? Okay. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm trying to get y'all a good pee. Here you go. I always go way behind the light trying to feed y'all. Just to take it back and eat it my damn self. I'm gonna try not to put chocolate on every piece. But y'all know, ladies, like during the time of the flower power, it just makes you crave sweets. Y'all want mango chocolate? There's a little whipped cream on this one. Hold it at a different angle. There you go. Okay, let's see what's next. Let's get up in this watermelon. Get in there. Put some almond. Look, y'all. Does that look good? It looks so good to me. Loud. That was so good. One more of those. I'm glad I brought the extra one. I got 3, 4. That might be enough. This is very watery. I don't think I'm gonna need this water. I had some Zephyr Hills, but I think I'm gonna be good. Oh, I can't see. This fruit is good, y'all. It's so drippy. And I can't really see it, so I don't know if it's dripping everywhere. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so thankful for all this fruit that I'm about to devour. Try not to go back to the watermelon. That's why I started with the marshmallows. Because now that's the last thing on my mind. This fruit's so good. Blackberry. I'm gonna try something different. Blackberry whipped cream, almonds. I got chocolate. I wonder how long that been there. I'm just giving myself new molds. Chocolate molds. Oh, this is good. Did I try everything? I think so. I did use Hershey's chocolate in my little Hershey machine. I made it on the stove though. And then I put it, I put the chocolate here first with the candle lid. Got everything set up. Then I started to smell the chocolate. Like it smelled it smelled like roasty. Oh my God, y'all. So I cut it off and let it simmer a little bit. And now it's perfect. It's not too hot. At first it probably would have been a little too hot. But it's good. I hope it's not all over my whole face. I was trying to catch it. Ooh. Y'all, I don't know if that looks good to y'all. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna hold it there all day like y'all really was gonna reach out and grab it. I wish. I'd be eating all this food by myself. And that's why it just didn't become dinner like it was supposed to be. I ate that TikTok spaghetti 2 times yesterday, y'all. And by the time 6, 7 o'clock rolled around, when I thought I was finna eat fruit for dessert, y'all, I was in there sleeping. I was in there sleeping. I was. I really was. Woke up, it was 3:55 a.m. I said, well, that was one hell of a nap. I ended up just doing my little stretches, reading, doing what I do in the morning, drinking some tea. And then I was listening to The Breakfast Club, y'all. And honestly, it hasn't really been the same to me since. It hasn't been the same since Angela Yee left. But from time to time, I listen to it. But y'all, they was at the time out. Kevin Gates. Kevin Gates, y'all. And honestly, I listen to Kevin Gates music. I hope that's not offensive to anybody. But I know he's different. And I'm not like a die-hard fan. Oh, Kevin Gates. I'm just a fan of hip hop. And I like his sensual music. I know I can't say the other word. But I like his freaky music, okay? And I told y'all before, like I'm a Kundalini princess, and see, if you know, you know. A lot of people don't know what that means, but it's outside of the realm of normal love making. Yeah, let's say it like that. And it's really also exercise, actually. But I watched 2 Kevin Gates interviews. Now, I've been listening to his music, and I probably got maybe 6 or 8 songs on my playlist from Kevin Gates. None of that gangster rap. None of that. It's his. It's the other music. All right. But I know he says a lot of things. Okay, stuff that I'm not gonna repeat because I know it might be some young folk up here. Even though, real talk, talking about Kevin Gates in general, sometimes it's just controversial, so it is what it is. But it's not really a conversation for kids. So, ooh, that blueberry, juicy. It's rare to get very juicy blueberries. This fruit is so good, y'all. The chocolate one, right? Anyway, so on the Breakfast Club, they were talking about Kevin Gates. I don't know where he did this interview or who it was with, but he mentioned something about drinking tinkles, y'all. He sure did. And he explained it so godly. Hold on. Let me explain. I'm gonna explain by bringing up another example of Kevin Gates' interview. When he interviewed with Carisha, first of all, that is the only Carisha interview that I watched. Now, shout out Big 305 Carisha. Please, please, Carisha, with your fine ass, keep doing what you're doing. But the show itself, it's the guests. I haven't had any real interest in the guests that have been on the show, even though I love Carisha, okay? Big Florida vibes. But the interview with Kevin Gates. I was so happy about that because there are not a lot of men who are working on themselves in the way that I heard Kevin Gates talking about himself. And it just made me feel like so hopeful for the male species. Like, not for me, but as a human in general. Sometimes I get sad when I think about the fact that I think men are disgusting, to be honest with you. Like, they are cool as long as they way over there, but I don't want them nowhere around me. As a loving person, I don't really like feeling that negativity toward another person. This is regardless of the race. It's just males in general. When I heard Kevin Gates talking about the standards that he has for himself, I'm like, I hope that this becomes a wave and that a lot more guys start to tap in like that. Because it's a damn shame when I can't even brother y'all. But Kevin Gates, he on the right track. He on the right track. So there is hope for them. If there are other men who are trying to tap in. Now, people want to focus on him drinking tinkles and him having a tattoo of Elvis and him talking about he don't put it inside his lover until he eat her groceries. I'm sure I sat here and edited and chopped this whole damn video up. I know I did. Especially talking about him and his cousin. And the people down here in down the deep south. I ain't trying to offend nobody. To be honest with y'all. I had to get some more watermelon, y'all. Before I forget again. Shout out to Ace Eats and KT, Veronica and Angela, and the #1 stunner. Hey, boo. Well, oh, Jemiah. Hey, Jemiah. The Capricorn Queen. And Jordan. Hey, Jordan. If y'all still around, I don't know who still be here at the end. Either way it goes, I love y'all. And I'm starting to feel like liquid full from drinking all this watermelon. The grapes was juicy. What else? All this was juicy, y'all. Everything was juicy. Even the blueberries was juicy. Oh, this food was good. Last one. Mm-hmm.